everyone. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Mrs. Aresh Inamdar, Veer Wazikar, AC College, Punde, Associate Professor. Welcome to in our online class. In a molecular spectroscopy, all of you learn number of spectra, spectroscopy. First is rotational spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy, as well as you calculate number of modes of vibrations for linear molecules, for non-linear molecules. And today all of you learn next point is Raman spectra. Okay, in a Raman spectra, the rotational spectroscopy or infrared spectroscopy deals with absorption of radiation. In a contrast to this, the study of the Raman spectroscopy involves scattering of radiation. Scattering म्हणजे काय? ठिणग्या पडणे, ठिणग्या. Scattering of radiation. In 1928, Professor C.V. Raman discovered that when light of definite frequency passed through a gas, liquid or solid and scattered light is observed right angle to the incident light. All of you look here. This is a matter. Okay. So incident light falls on this matter, these molecules. What happened? Some of the light in this way, the light is falls on in this matter. Some light is transmitted. Some light is scattered. So Raman says that 99% of incident light of the frequency is equal to scattered light. म्हणजे एखाद्या मॅटर वर इन्सिडेंट लाईट जर फॉल केल्यानंतर इन्सिडेंट लाईटची फ्रिक्वेन्सी अँड incident line की frequency. Wait 2 minutes, not. हाँ आता बघा. हॅलो हॅलो आवाज येतोय?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ येतोय. चल
मैम
हाँ
स्क्रीन नहीं
ठीक आहे.
दिसत.
आता हाँ दिसतो टाकतो. हाँ बघा. सीव्ही इन 1928 ला सीव्ही रमनने काय केलं? इन्सिडेंट रेडिएशन एखाद्या मॅटर वर टाकल्यानंतर इन्सिडेंट रेडिएशन अँड स्कॅटरिंग म्हणजे लाईटीच्या त्या ठिणग्या पडल्या. ओके. इन्सिडेंट रेडिएशनची लाईट अँड स्कॅटरची लाईट 99 फ्रिक्वेन्सी त्याची कशी आहे? सेम आहे. ओनली 1% ऑफ किती पर्सेंट? 1% ऑफ लाइट ऑफ द वेवलेंथ इज इंक्रीजिंग एज वेल एज डिक्रीजिंग. क्या बोल रहे देख सकते हैं वगैरह इधर ले तो है. Only 1% of light is increasing and decreasing, and that light when you count with help of Raman spectroscopy. बघा ही तुमचा मॅटर आहे. इन्सिडेंट लाईट ह्याच्यावर टाकलेला आहे. नंतर इन्सिडेंट लाईट म्हणजे न्यू आय. न्यू आय इज इक्वल टू न्यूएस. न्यूएस इज नथिंग बट स्कॅटर लाईट. 99% सेम आहे फ्रिक्वेन्सी. सो nu I is equal to nu s is known as Rayleigh scattering. काय म्हणतात? Rayleigh is scientist name. Rayleigh scattering. 1% of scattered light is either frequency lower or higher. That one counted in your Raman spectroscopy. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anybody? हाँ. So आता ती 1% of light वेवलेंथ कमी असते, जास्त असते, त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला 2 लाईन मिळतात बघा. इन्सिडेंट लाईन फॉल्स ऑन इन दिस मॉलिक्यूल. म्यू आय इज म्हणजे incident radiation and the scattered light in this way. Suppose that one scattered light longer wavelength, त्यांची wavelength कशी असेल, long असेल. At that time, for example, μs is frequency of scattered light is 3 and mu I is 5. So mu I minus ms is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to positive, and that one line is known as Stokes line. That is a positive. Am I right? That one line is known as Stokes line. At that time, longer wavelength. Stokes line, longer wavelength. Next one. Admit to all. Incident radiation mu I, the scatter radiation mu s, shorter wavelength. Wavelength कशी आहे त्याची short आहे mu s ची. Mu s is greater than mu I. So suppose mu s is 6 आहे and mu I is 5 आहे. म्हणजे mu I minus mu s is equal to 5 minus 6. So क्या है? Everyone is in waiting room. हाँ. तर 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Thus minus 1 is nothing but they are having anti-Stokes line. That one line is known as anti-Stokes line. And third matter, mu s minus mu I is Raman frequency or Raman shift. All of you understand? Stokes lines, anti-Stokes lines and Raman line. In short, you are systematically diagram you are showing in figure. This is a anti-Stokes lines, this is a Stokes lines, Raman lines, Stokes lines, Rayleigh scattering as well as mu s is equal to mu I. Mu s is equal to mu I, all these things. Okay. So keep in your mind, differentiate between Raman spectroscopy, differentiate between. In short, I am again repeating what is the Raman spectra. Incident in a Raman spectra, mu I is equal to mu s. Incident radiation and scattering radiation both are related to each other. Molecular incident radiation टाकल्यानंतर 99% molecules frequency त्याची same असते. So mu I is equal to mu s. But 1% of frequency of radiation increasing and or decreasing. They are find out in with help of Raman spectra. So you are studied Stokes lines as well as anti-Stokes lines. So differentiate with each other Stokes lines as well as anti-Stokes lines. In a Stokes lines, lower frequency is lower, longer wavelength. High anti-Stokes lines, higher frequency, shorter wavelength. In a Stokes lines, delta nu is equal to positive. Delta nu is equal to positive, and anti-Stokes lines delta nu is equal to minus negative. In Stokes lines, delta S less than delta nu, and anti-Stokes lines mu s is greater than mu I. So in a Stokes lines, E dash less than E double dash. Recording चालू है ना? And in anti-Stokes lines, E dash is greater than E double dash. All of you understand? Everyone is waiting in in this way, all of you learn Raman spectra for Stokes lines as well as anti-Stokes lines. Next one. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Nantar, in a Raman spectroscopy, theory of Raman spectra, admit all. Sorry. Acha. You know that In a vibrational spectroscopy, molecules are vibrate. Okay, and they are related to the dipole moment. In rotational spectroscopy, also molecules are rotating. They are related to mm, dipole moment. So, moment of inertia, calculate. Dipole moment is related to dipole moment is related to कोणाबरोबर आहे dipole moment in a vibrational spectroscopy. In a IR spectra, you getting the molecules is polyatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, and so on. Okay. So, in a Raman spectroscopy, the molecules are बघा in a rotational spectroscopy and vibrational spectroscopy, rotational spectroscopy, H2, I2, H2, O2, N2, that molecules is not having dipole moment. ते molecules एकापासून काय होत नाहीत, सेपरेट होत नाहीत. परंतु रामननी काय केलं, तेच molecules इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मध्ये जर घातलं, तेच molecules इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक फील्ड मध्ये जर घातल्यानंतर काय होतं, ते दोन molecules सेपरेट होतात and again produce dipole moment. That one process is known as collapsivity of the molecules. Collapsivity. So, in a Raman spectroscopy, dipole moment is produced or induced, तयार केली जाते. We are using in a electromagnetic field. जे molecules non-polar आहेत, परंतु ते polar दाखवतात. ते केव्हा दाखवतात? तेव्हा ते molecules इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक फील्ड मध्ये टाकल्यानंतर पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह कडे जातो, निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह कडे जातो आणि दोघांचा बॉन्ड डिस्टन्स तयार होतो आणि बॉन्ड डिस्टन्स तयार झाल्यामुळे ते मॉलिक्युल्स व्हायब्रेट होतात आणि रेडिएशन ऍब्सॉर्ब करतात अँड देअरफॉर यू आर गेटिंग IR spectra, vibration spectra as well as Raman spectra. So, in a Raman spectroscopy, mechanism of Raman effect has found mechanism of the Raman effect has been explained on the basis of quantum theory as well as on the basis of collapsivity of the molecules. Quantum theory काय असते? Basic of the quantum theory. What is meant by collapsivity? Collapsivity is nothing but the dipole moment is produced if your molecule placed in your electromagnetic field. तर त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला पार्ट कुठला आहे? बेसिक क्वांटम थेरी. बेसिक क्वांटम थेरी रामन स्पेक्ट्रा काय सांगतो? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थेरी, स्कॅटरिंग ऑफ द लाईट बाय द मॉलिक्युल्स, the sample may be regarded as photon molecules collision phenomena. Suppose the molecules of the mass m is energy state with velocity nu is collide with great photon frequency, that molecules undergo change in its energy state as well as the velocity. म्हणजे एखादा मॉलिक्यूल घेतला, त्या मॉलिक्यूल वर इन्सिडेंट रेडिएशन टाकल्यानंतर जो तयार झालेल्या फोटॉननी तयार केलेली जी एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू त्या रेडिएशनने स्कॅटर केलेली एनर्जी ह्याच्याबरोबर असते. हे बेसिक क्वांटम थेरी सांगते. म्हणजेच काय? लेट नो एनर्जी स्टेट बिकम्स E dash. E dash is nothing but scattering light of the energy. Velocity nu dash. Applying the principle of conservation of, we get, बघा ऍडमिट ऑफ किती माहिती आहे? लेट आहे लागली तो एवढे 17च विद्यार्थी आहेत. 43 विद्यार्थी आहेत आपल्याकडे. काय माहित काय झालं. गणपती
माहित नाही मॅडम.
right hand side is equal to left hand side. E dash 1/2 mv square into h nu. म्हणजेच काय? बघा ही लाईट ह्याच्यावर टाकली नंतर स्कॅटर झालेली, ही म्हणजे E dash आणि स्कॅटर झालेली लाईट म्हणजे E डबल डॅश. E dash plus 1/2. This is a kinetic energy, okay? Plus h nu is having a frequency. E double dash 1/2 m v dash square plus h nu dash. This is equation number 1. आता बघा, the change of velocity of the molecular after collision is negligible. Then equation number is first is writing 1/2 and 1/2. हे काय होईल? Cancel होईल. So you're writing E dash plus h nu is equal to E double dash plus h nu dash. E dash h nu is nothing but incident light of the energy, scattering light of the energy. This equation number 2. Rearranging this equation, आता E double dash scattering light ची ना इकडे आणली. E dash minus E double dash h nu is equal to h nu dash. This is equation number 3. Dividing equation 3 by h, we get E dash minus E double dash divided by h and h nu divided by h. दोन्ही साइडला h ने भागलं, divided. So E dash minus E dash is equal to double dash is equal to h. H nu upon h dash is equal to is cancel. H nu dash into h is also cancel. So E dash minus E double dash divided by h. E dash is scattering of incident light energy. Energy of scatter light E double dash h minus plus nu is equal to nu dash. What is meant by nu dash? Nu is equal to frequency of incident light. So equation is 3 possibility E dash minus E dash divided by h double dash plus nu is equal to nu dash. 3 possibility your equation can be formed. So E dash is equal to E double dash. This refers no unmodified line where the molecules simplify difficult the photons without receiving any energy is called Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering is nothing but nu s is equal to nu I. Means Raman scattering means nu s and nu I हे दोन्हीची radiation ची frequency आणि wavelength कशी असते, same असते. This is your first point. Second point is nu dash is less than nu double dash. E double dash. E dash is less than E dash is incident light. E double dash is also scattering light. Okay, scattering light. This means that molecules after collision, when photon gains energy from photons, as a result, scattered photon will have lower energy, and that will be Stokes line. So, keep in mind, Stokes line, they are having Stokes line. E dash is greater than E double dash. E dash is greater than E double dash. It is an anti-Stokes line. So therefore, this means that molecules is in an excited state after collision. Ground state वरून excited state ला molecule गेल्यानंतर the photons gives energy to photons as a result, and scatter photon will be greater energy, and that one is known as anti-Stokes line. Stokes and anti-Stokes lines appear as equal distance as a faint line in either side of an intense center line corresponding to Rayleigh line. All of you look here. This is a middle line is Rayleigh line, or nu is equal to nu s. Anti-Stokes lines, that one, and Stokes lines is that one. In simple way, Stokes lines and anti-Stokes lines differentiate to each other. Stokes lines frequency, lower, longer wavelength, higher frequency, shorter wavelength. Delta nu is equal to positive, delta v is equal to negative. Nu s is less than nu I and nu s is greater than nu I. So in Stokes lines, E dash is less than E double dash. Anti-Stokes lines, E dash is greater than E double dash. In this way, all of you learn today which point? Raman spectra. In a Raman spectra, they are having incident light, scattered light, Stokes lines, anti-Stokes lines, Raman scattering, Raman's Rayleigh scattering, by means quantum theory of Raman spectra, and so on. So already all of you learn vibrational spectroscopy and Raman spectroscopy. Okay, so how to differentiate to each other Raman and Raman spectra and vibrational spectra. So keep in your mind, I am explaining one by one, and you writing in your answer. You are writing in your notebook. Differentiate between Raman spectra and IR spectra. Write down one by one. ये दिखा स्क्रीन दिखान बच्चे दिखा रामन स्पेक्ट्रा हाँ सो प्रत्येकाने लिहून घ्या रामन आणि आयआर 10 मिनिट राहिलीत फक्त आता रामन आणि आयआरचं डिफरन्शिएट ओके आवाज येतोय हॅलो एनीबडी
हॅलो मॅडम येते आवाज
हा आता रामन आणि आयआरचं डिफरन्शिएट लिहून घ्या रामन स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी spectra it is due to scattering of light आवाज होतोय it is due to scattering of light by vibrating molecule रामन स्पेक्ट्रा स्कॅटरिंग लाईट व्हायब्रेटिंग मॉलिक्युल ने होतो आयआर मध्ये काय लिहिणार इट इज रिझल्ट ऑफ ऍब्सॉर्प्शन आयआर रेडिएशन केल्यामुळे लाईट बाय व्हायब्रेटिंग मॉलिक्युल it is a result of absorption of light by vibrating molecules. It is a scattering, it is a absorption. Second, the vibration in Raman active, the vibration is Raman active, it causes, कशामुळे होईल? It causes change in polarity. चेंज इन पोलॅरिटी पोलॅरिटी म्हणजे काय जो मॉलिक्युल मध्ये पोलार नाहीये म्हणजे जो मॉलिक्युल डायपोल मोमेंट दाखवत नाही परंतु तो जर मॉलिक्युल इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक रेडिएशन मध्ये जर ठेवल्यानंतर त्याच्यामुळे केमिकल बॉन्ड तयार होईल आणि पोलॅरिटी मिळाल्यामुळे तो मॉलिक्युल रेडिएशन ऍब्सॉर्ब करेल व्हायब्रेशन इन आयआर ऍक्टिव्ह आता व्हायब्रेशन मध्ये सांगा vibration is IR active if there is change in dipole moment. Dipole moment is nothing but the molecules are separate, the two atoms separated by Q plus minus R. Mu is equal to Q plus minus R. Dipole moment में IR addition मिळतो. The molecules need not possesses Raman मध्ये तिसरा the molecules did not possesses a permanent dipole moment. Permanent dipole moment the vibration should have change in dipole moment due to that vibration चौथा, water can be used as solvent. ये करें. Water can be used as solvent. Water cannot be used due to its intense absorption of IR. ह्याच्यामध्ये वॉटर यूज केला जातो, परंतु IR वॉटर यूज केला जात नाही. Sample preparation is not very elaborate. It can be in any state. हे कुठल्याही स्टेट मध्ये sample preparation elaborate, gaseous sample can rarely be used. In Raman, gives an indication of covalent character in the molecule. Give an indication of ionic character in the molecule. सातवा, cost of instrument is very high. रावणचं instrument high आहे. Comparatively it is expensive. IR आपल्याला कुठे उपलब्ध करू शकतो आपण. IR spectroscopy. In this way, allopular काय? ठीक आहे. नहीं. In this way, allopular, Raman spectra, Stokes lines, anti-Stokes lines. Next one, differentiate between Stokes lines, anti-Stokes lines. Next one, allopular. In a basic quantum theory for a Raman spectroscopy related to E dash equal to E double dash, E dash greater than E double dash, E dash less than double dash, diagrammatically differentiate to each other, and so on. Next lecture, I will be take how is the comparison between mutual comparison of IR and Raman spectra, and also number of the molecules, carbon CO2 molecules and H2 molecules, comparison to Raman and IR spectra. Okay, in this way, remaining 2 to 7 minutes, I will stop. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.